Hey everyone. This refrigerator works really good. We don't have much in the freezer. I do like the recessed handles. We don't have much in the refrigerator part. I bought these gallons of milk at Circle K, and I also bought some bacon, and I also bought a bottle of sweet tea. And the ice maker is doing really good. And it's keeping everything cold. Because that's got frost on it already. And it is working really good. It's been set up for 12 hours. No, less than 12 hours. There's the wire. The ice. See, those are small cubes. That's all the bigger the ice is. But yeah, it does work. So it does work. I'll just put this ice in the dog bowl. Some water and then some ice. Because the ice cubes are really small. I had never seen an ice maker like this in a refrigerator. See, as you can tell, the cubes are really small. And that's the ice maker. I've never seen one like that. It's a regular ice tray, and then water shoots into the ice tray, and it makes, was it 2, 4, 8, 12 cubes at a time. And yeah, they're small cubes, but I noticed this ice bin for the freezer is small. But like I said, it's a nice refrigerator. When I went to Medea's website, which is the brand that made it, well, I couldn't make it out. Their website said that this is a $3,000 refrigerator, but it says that they have sales a couple times a year on it. So, because I originally was going to buy this refrigerator, to replace this one, because this one was my mom's old refrigerator, and somehow I figured out what was wrong with this one. I kept thinking it was a thermostat because it kept freezing things on the top shelf. Not what it was. The coils are dirty. So this one will have to be pulled out and cleaned out. But I knew that since we had two refrigerators, I knew one of them was getting bad. And since this one started working right, I figured out it was the coils that are dirty, so I'm going to have to clean that. But come to find out, the other stainless steel refrigerator, the compressor, it was keeping things cold, but not as cold as what it should be. So I knew that one of them was going to have to be replaced, because after I figured out that the white one is just because the coils are dirty, I figured, why get rid of it? I might as well keep it. And since it's not, it's like 15, 16 years old, but it still works. It is a smaller refrigerator than this one, because this one's a 26 cubic foot and that's a 25, so that's like 1 cubic foot smaller. But I do like this new refrigerator, and it does a great job. And it's keeping everything cold like it's supposed to. The only thing I don't like about this refrigerator is the freezer has glass shelves. I wish it was like this one, because this one has the wire shelves. Yeah, it's probably cheaper to use glass. I don't know, but and this is removable, because this can actually be removed and cleaned. There's still a little bit of plastic on it. But I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.